The most common replacement parts for the JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill are the front reverse switch and the drill chuck. Start by disconnecting your mill drill from the power source. In order to remove the drill chuck, you must lock the spindle in place. Back the drawbar out until it's not quite disengaged. Then tap the top of the drawbar until the chuck slides down. To reinstall, align the key and the groove. Tighten the drawbar with a 17mm wrench. To replace the forward reverse switch, remove the Phillips head screw from the back of the switch housing. This will allow you to remove the cover from the side. Remove the knob from the front of the switch. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the cover from the front. This will reveal 4 Phillips head screws which you will need to remove. Then remove the switch. Disconnect the leads from the switch, paying attention to the orientation of the various wires. Install your new switch, reattach the wires, and then reverse the operation until the switch is completely installed. JET offers a simple way to order all the replacement parts you might need for your benchtop 18-inch mill drill. You can find replacement parts on our website at jettools.com by clicking on the parts store. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.